present you on how to write the notation limit. So this is the way to write it. So this is the limit of the function fx as x approaches a. So if you have an answer L, this is the answer, where L is the limit of the function as x approaches a. So the limit must be the same from both sides. So you can say that the limit exists such that limit of fx as x approaches a is equal to L if and only if the limit of fx as x approaching a from the right, this is notation, a plus sign, is equal to limit of fx as x approaching a from the left, which is a negative sign, which is equal to L. So if and only if this is equal to L, therefore we would find our limit as x approaching a. Another way to write it is the limit of fx as x approaching a from the right is equal to limit of fx as x approaching a from the left. Therefore, the limit of fx as x approaches a is equal to L. Apart from that, we can say that if the limit of fx as x approaches a from the right is not the same with limit of fx as x approaching a from the left, therefore we can conclude that the limit of fx as x approaches a is dna, which does not exist. Now let us see the notation of one-sided limit. So limit of fx as x approaching a from the right is equal to L. And this is notation for limit of fx as x approaches a from the left, okay? And this should be also equal to L. So these are notations, the plus sign and also the negative sign.